Imagine a mountain, towering, intimidating. Now imagine standing at its summit, victorious. That's the power of accepting a challenge. Welcome to the world of mind, wealth, motivation. In the realm of finance, setting short-term goals is like mapping your climb. Each step, each rock you conquer brings you closer to financial success. Whether saving for a new car or paying off a loan, each goal achieved is a peak scaled. But it's not just about reaching the top. It's about the climb, the journey. Embracing the challenge changes you. It breeds resilience, determination, and a wealth mindset. You're not just climbing a mountain, you're building an empire. Each goal you set, each challenge you accept, is a brick in your financial fortress. And with each brick laid, your wealth mindset strengthens. Your financial literacy grows. You become a financial conqueror, an architect of your own prosperity. Remember, it's not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. So accept the challenge, set your goals, and watch as your financial empire rises. Now, if you found this empowering, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's scale financial mountains. Welcome to Mind Wealth Motivation.